Namaskar everyone. This is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. As you can see, on Tuesday we completed chapter number 6 in revision worksheet and today it is time for chapter number 7, that is space. But before starting today's class, let me tell you or share with you some very interesting points that I noticed yesterday during our online class. Yesterday we completed the question answers of chapter number 9 and 10, right? And I am very happy, or I was very happy to see the prompt reply from you all guys. Your 80% of the question answers were correct, and इवेंचुअली आप सब ने मुझे व्हाट्सएप भी किए हैं आंसर्स ऑल्सो दैट आई गेव यू चैप्टर नंबर 9 के जो 3, 4, 5 जो लॉन्ग आंसर्स थे वो. सो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी टू सी दैट यू गाइज आर रियली डूइंग वेल इन इंग्लिश. तो जैसे आप इस सब्जेक्ट में काम कर रहे हो वैसे आई होप आप सभी सब्जेक्ट में काम करें, बिकॉज teachers are really striving hard to make you understand each and every topic which is important for you, not only now but in future also, whether it be maths, whether it be Hindi, whether it be SS, whether it be English. We all are working really hard to make sure that आपका कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक ना रहे कि जिससे आपको आगे ये साल नहीं तो अगले साल कहीं आपको तकलीफ हो. The teachers fraternity of New Era Global School are really working very hard to make you understand each and every topic. They work hard for this activities. आप जैसे अपने ग्रुप्स में देखते होंगे कि बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ डे बाय डे आप देखते हो. तो दिस एक्टिविटीज़ आर बीन वेल planned by the teachers, well executed by the teachers, and then it is given to the students for the betterment, right? So this makes the learning process also very good. Clear? अब रही बात आपकी, तो आप अभी क्या करते हैं? आप generally many of you don't come to online classes, or many of you still skip the video lessons. That's fine, I can completely understand कि कभी हफ्ते में 2 बार ऐसा लगता है that you're not in a mood to study this particular subject, right? But then make it a habit, otherwise you would have a real trouble when the actual school will start, right? मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली स्कूल स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, एग्ज़ामिनेशंस आ जाएगी, नेक्स्ट ईयर का भी सीन ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर है. दैट वुड बी गिवन और टोल्ड टू यू एज एंड व्हेन गवर्नमेंट जो सब कुछ अगर फाइनल कर देता है तो, राइट? सो जितना जल्दी वापस अपने यूनिफॉर्मिटी में आ जाओ, दैट वुड बी गुड फॉर यू गाइज ऑल्सो, राइट? चलिए, सो दिस इज़ अगेन Disha ma'am wishing you all for a better future. और कहीं पे भी my dear children, कहीं पे भी if you feel that you don't know that particular subject, if you don't know that particular topic of English, please let me know so that I can help you out. I can tell you the tricks to learn or tricks to understand that particular lesson, right? Chaliye, now it's time for some fun. So grab your pencil and get ready to solve this interesting puzzle, right? The puzzle, as you can see, I could be what? I could be anything of my choice. I could be a teacher, I could be a scientist, I could be a person who baker. हमने इसके आगे में भी पढ़ा था, right? तो यहाँ पे देखो मैं क्या क्या बन सकती हूँ. Anthropologist. Now what is anthropologist? That you need to tell me. I'm not going to tell you. No. Anthropologist, archaeologist, astronomer, biologist, botanist, chemist, computer scientist, ecologist, engineer, entomologist, geneticist, geologist, mathematician, meteorologist, oceanographer, paleontologist, physicist, physiologist, psychologist, seismologist, taxonomist, and zoologist. These are all kinds of work that you can do. Means instead of just getting into this key, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a dancer. These are the options that you can have in your mind. I repeat the frames again. Please put your finger on what I am reading. Anthropologist, ये सारे के आप गूगल में मीनिंग्स ढूंढेंगे एंड देन ओनली यू विल फाइंड दी वर्ड्स इन दिस सर्च बॉक्स या पजल में. चलो, एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट, एस्ट्रोनॉमर, बायोलॉजिस्ट, बोटोनिस्ट, केमिस्ट, कंप्यूटर साइंटिस्ट, इकोलॉजिस्ट, इंजीनियर, एंटोमोलॉजिस्ट, जेनेटिसिस्ट, जियोलॉजिस्ट, mathematician, meteorologist, oceanographer, paleontologist, physicist, physiologist, psychologist, seismologist, taxonomist, and zoologist. Clear? Now here I won't be able to help you. This is something that you would be doing by yourself. आपके लिए एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग काम है. मुझे तो बहुत सारे दिख भी रहे हैं. सी I can see mathematician, astronomer, zoologist, but computer scientist. Oh, this is very interesting, right? But I cannot do it right now, so this would be your homework, right? First of all, you would find out the meaning of this professions. These are different kind of professions, so you will find out the meaning of this profession, and then only you will find this out in the puzzle, right? Chaliye, so and last one is scientist. Scientist also इसमें होगा. Yes, there is scientist in the नीचे से third row में. I can see scientist also. I can see psychologist also. Right? This is very easy. I am sure that आप अच्छे से इसको ढूंढ पाओगे. It would be a very good brain boggling activity for you guys. So hope that you will finish this by Monday. And moving to the next question, that is second one. Suppose you get to visit the ISRO Research Center. Why ISRO Research Center? Now, what is ISRO? ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO Research Center. You have to make an announcement to your class about the visit. How would you do it? You can write or speak up using any specific date and time. Now here again, children, there are two options. I have told that either you can write or you can speak up. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप बोलोगे तो आप क्या करेंगे, अपना वीडियो शूट करके मुझे भेजेंगे. Right? If you want to write, you can write over here. Otherwise, how would you announce? Right? You went to ISRO Research Center, that is in Ahmedabad, and you are going to talk to your class regarding this visit. Right? Now I would rather suggest, instead of writing, record a video of 2.5 minutes or 1.5 minutes and send it to me in the WhatsApp. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, you are standing in front of the class. You have to assume that you are standing in front of the class and you are telling about the visit that you have done at ISRO. राइट? आपने क्या क्या देखा, इसरो रिसर्च सेंटर में क्या है. सी ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो इट इज़ इन अहमदाबाद में जो है, इट इज़ डीलिंग विद द स्पेस, द इक्विपमेंट्स ऑफ स्पेस एंड एवरीथिंग. राइट? सो दैट इज़ बीन श्योर, बट उसका फिर डेट कब गए थे या कैसे गए थे, तो दैट यू नीड टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्व्स. राइट? सो टुडेज़ होमवर्क वुड बी, एक तो ये आपका जो पज़ल है वो आप ढूंढेंगे. देन सेकेंड, you have to record a 1 minute 2 minute video regarding the announcement about the visit that you did at ISRO Research Center. नाउ अगर इसरो रिसर्च सेंटर देखना है तो जैसे आप वीडियो देख रहे हो, ये वीडियो ख़त्म करके आप गूगल में जाइए, गूगल में जाके या यूट्यूब में जाके इसरो रिसर्च सेंटर आप सर्च करिए. सो यू विल गेट टू नो कि व्हाट इज़ देयर एट इसरो इन अहमदाबाद. क्लियर. यहाँ पे अहमदाबाद में मेंशन करना भूल गई हूँ. सो यू हैव टू हैव दैट इन माइंड दैट इट इज़ इसरो रिसर्च सेंटर एट अहमदाबाद. क्लियर. सो वंस यू फर्स्ट सी कि उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. Clear. It is all about space and science and technologies and different techniques when what they use. So this all thing is there at ISRO and you have to speak about the visit. तो तुमने क्या देखा या आपने आप क्यों गए थे, कब गए थे, कैसे गए थे, and what sort of things did you like over there, right? This would be pure assumptions of yours and you have to record a video. Mark my words again, you have to record a 1 minute 2 minutes video and you have to WhatsApp me about your visit. Is that clear? Okay, chalo. So this was about the revision worksheet of chapter number 7 space. From Monday we will start doing चैप्टर नंबर 8. तो आपका 8, 9, 10 है वो नेक्स्ट वीक तक ख़त्म हो जाएगा. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस रिविजन वर्कशीट आई हैव प्लान्ड स्पेशल राइटिंग पोर्शन फॉर एवरी वीडियो लेक्चर्स. राइट. अब बाकी में रिवीजन में खाली हमारा राइटिंग पोर्शन रह गया. राइटिंग पोर्शन एज सच वर्कशीट में तो बहुत सारा है, नॉट इन दिस रिवीजन वर्कशीट बट इससे पहले वाली जो वर्कशीट थी उसमें देयर इज एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ राइटिंग थिंग्स. So once when you are free, please go through that revision, go through that previous worksheet that we have done and उसमें जो सारे writing portions है, we had written letter writing, we have written emails, we have written paragraph, we have written describing the picture, right? So that practice I would be giving from next to next week, right? चलिए. So this would be again रिमाइंडर थे. फर्स्ट 7th चैप्टर में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू fill out the puzzles that you need to find it by yourselves and here you will be recording a video for a minute or 2 describing about your visit at ISRO Ahmedabad. क्लियर. वो करने से पहले यूट्यूब में एक बार इसरो अहमदाबाद का सर्च कर लेना सो दैट यू कम टू नो कि वहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली है क्या. क्लियर. चलिए. दिस इज़ ऑल फ्रॉम फॉर टुडे फ्रॉम मी. Till we meet next week, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care.